Today I got up with this word in my mind, self respect. What does self respect mean to you? To me, self respect is not doing unto others as you would not like them to do unto you. A thought, a quote by Bapuji, which means the way you respect yourself, you must respect others also in the same way. The way you And the question is, how will you improve the level of mutual respect in all your relationships this week? So, this is the question I want to ask to you. How will you improve the level of respect or mutual respect in all your relationships this week? So, I would share today my thought. So, I woke up as usual in the morning, early in the morning, and did my exercise. And usually, I have a routine of listening to any one positive thought or meditate on that thought. So today it was BK Shivani's message or speech which I was listening to, and it was such a beautiful message she was speaking about. So she was telling about what thoughts or what dialogue that goes in your mind, that goes in your mind is what makes you, or you become what you think of. And you create that scarcity in your mind because of your words, of your vocabulary that you use. I can't do that. I'm not good enough. I don't have enough. I have very less with me. Let it be money, let it be your skills, let it be your capabilities. Anything that you are saying, when you are showing that scarcity, it builds that scarcity in your mind. And so whatever you do, it it brings scarcity. And this thought stuck me. The and she One more thing she said was, what thoughts you create around you. For example, I'm a cleanliness freak, and the thought I create is, you are not doing this, you are not keeping the house clean, no one is helping me, and no one is concerned about this cleanliness. So, what thoughts am I creating? I am creating a very negative thought around me, isn't that? And because of that, the relationship, the respect in that relationship is somewhere somewhere is draining everyone around me because of that negativity. And this struck me hard, and my daughter was pointing at me, Mom, this is something somewhere you. Yes, I am a cleanliness freak and I believe in keeping things organized. But if I keep on saying, why you are not doing that, not doing this, you're not keeping things clean, that creates some expectation, and that creates something which people might not like around me, and that might hinder my or spoil my relationship with people. And I learned, okay, if I want things to be clean around me, if I want things to be organized around me, let me show it by example, not by shouting, but by doing it, but by practicing it, and build that positive relationship around me, build that positive what is it, aura around me, or energy around me, so that everyone is productive, everyone is more involved, and everyone understands the need and importance of it. So this was something which stuck me hard today, and which was like, from morning I was thinking of that only. And in the entire day I maintained that energy, that positive energy which I have built in the morning, of not complaining, and of not showing that scarcity, or not showing that negative energy around me, but being in that positive mode, being at that positive energy which have built around me. And believe me, it was such a beautiful day today. I could complete all my tasks. I could spend time with spend time with my family. I could talk to them in normal way. Like, I could express my concerns, and I could talk to talk to them about, yeah, what is bothering me, or what is that we should do together, or what, how can we improve things around us. And actually, there was no conflict there anywhere. There was more sereneness, and there was more of understanding. There was more of what is it, positivity around me. And I said, yes, what she has said, ki when you are saying those negative words, when you are showing that negative energy around you, or in your thoughts, or in your speech, or in what you are saying, it impacts each and every one. It impacts our relationship. So that was why I came with this question. I'm asking you a question. How will you improve the level of mutual respect in all your relationships this week? So share with me what all you're going to do, what all you will do to improve your relationships this week, to build that positive energy in this week, and to reduce those negative dialogues which you have with your mind, negative thoughts which you have with your mind, and how you can build or develop that, how you can improve your relationships. So I'll be waiting for your thoughts, I'll be waiting for your answers. And I, Jyoti, inner life transformation coach, author of 2 books, and an upcoming speaker, signing out today, and we'll be back tomorrow once again with another word, another thought, and another question. Till then, stay safe and bye bye.